So here I got some air conditioning lines. I believe they're off of an Escalade, rear air conditioning lines. And the guy's doing a rear air delete kit. So my job will be to plug these up, weld them up, whatever, so that he can put those back in, charge the system with a little bit less freon, and run front air conditioning still. Alright, so now we got on the workbench. Here's our parts, a small AC line. We're gonna cut it right here by the bend. And the big AC line, we're gonna cut it, crimp them, weld them. So we're using Rockmount Neptune and the HTP REVOLUTION 2500. We're gonna TIG weld it. It shouldn't be that big of a deal. When you look at this here, looks nice and clean on the inside. It shouldn't overheat either. The seal is made right there with an O-ring, so no concerns of warping anything or damaging seal surfaces. A little bit deburring action here. There, that should be one clean weld across the top. There, good to go. So here's our finished result. It looks nothing short of amazing. Great job. The REVOLUTION 2500 did it.